Everyone, today we are going to talk about stage 4 new regulations for cleaning. Basically, can we have a cleaner at home or in our office or in our premise? Obviously, a lot of people are confused. They don't know what to do. They want to follow the new regulations that are not very clear to one. So here are some good and bad news. The good news is it's possible to have a cleaner at your home. The bad news is not for everyone. You have to qualify. So before I start, I would like to make a disclaimer. Not everything is clear to me and to everyone, and I'm doing just my best and to the best of my ability to inform you as much as I can. And if for any reason I make a mistake, please forgive me. As we know, COVID is still among us, and we pray and we hope that we can contain this virus spread and we can eliminate it from our life and go back to our old, beautiful, free life. Due to the changes happening around us, we are gathering all the information that we can to inform you on all the cleaning services. Our aim is to eradicate the virus as a cleaning service, to eliminate it, or to minimize it, or to help people that are affected. One thing that our cleaning service is committed to do is to take all the precautions to keep everyone safe, not just our cleaners or our customers, but also the spread of the virus. We confirm that fortunately no one among our cleaners have tested positive to COVID, and we hope never anyone does. We will never send anyone who is infected or has a mild symptom of flu or COVID to clean anywhere. We are monitoring our staff's health and state very closely to ensure everyone is safe. Now, let's talk about the Business Victoria and the new regulations. So the good news that we can still offer a cleaning service in Melbourne for all people registered and receiving payment or support from any or institution similar to NDIS, TAC, home care. We can also serve and clean people's house when they are not able to do the cleaning themselves for any reason that could be physical, mental, emotional, or for safety reasons. At the moment, from our understanding, we can also do move-out cleanings, commercial cleanings, and carpet steam cleaning for move-outs and move-ins, because it's a job that no one can do without the expertise and the machinery required. Let me make some clarifications. To the best of my knowledge, if you don't want to do your cleaning, it doesn't mean you qualify. Let's make that very clear. Please be reasonable and let us help you, and let us comply with the government orders. To qualify and request our cleaning service or any cleaning service, you need to fill up a form stating the real reasons behind your request. It has to be genuinely true and has to comply with the fact that you are unable to do your cleaning yourself and by yourself. The cleaning service to be essential, considered as essential cleaning, it has to be requested for health and safety reasons only. To request a house cleaning from tomorrow, Thursday, August 6th, and until September 17th, we are asking our customers to fill up a form to justify the reason behind their cleans. We will assess it, and if it complies with all the regulations, we will organize it for you as soon as possible. Regarding the move out, end of lease cleaning, vacate cleaning, they are permitted because they will allow the real estate industry to continue going forward. And also because where we do these kind of cleanings, there is no one. So the possibility of spreading is almost nil. For a move-in clean, it's a little bit different because the buyer or the tenant can do their cleaning. But if they can't do it for any physical, mental, emotional time, incapable of doing it, then they qualify to have their property or their rental property cleaned by us, and they have always to fill up the form and to state the real reason behind that. All these forms, we will keep them aside, and in case we are stopped by the police to check where our cleaners are going, we will have to send them a copy of it. Regarding all our regular cleaning customers, if it is not an emergency and they don't qualify with the new regulations, unfortunately we have to put them aside and to suspend them or cancel them until further notice. We hope that by September 18 we can resume it, but we don't know if there will be an extension and how we will be going with the virus. We are going also to put all of them on hold. For carpet cleaning, we can do it for move out, move in, but also for reasons as water extraction, so that's an emergency, or if someone has like a vomit or like some sort of allergy as well, so that's also an essential cleaning because it can affect the customer's health and well-being. I know we are all shocked with these new norms, and some of it is becoming our new normal life. We sincerely hope that we will, in this way, we are helping Australia or Melbourne, in our case, to win over this pandemic and to get back to our life. I'm not sure if someone has any question, but I have tried to compile a few. To resume, yes, we can do some house cleaning where people are qualified, whenever they need it. Anyone who is supported or received payment from any institute or from the government qualifies automatically. Move out, move in, end of lease cleaning, vacate cleaning, they qualify as well to help the real estate industry. Commercial cleaning is as per usual, and carpet, steam cleaning and upholstery cleaning is okay for move out, move in, and for any emergency. Thank you very much for your listening, and I hope to inform you again in the near future. Bye for now.